I had a user who wanted to know how to use locinator to do simple, like a secondary jiggly stuff. So I quickly, so we're not dealing with rigs or anything, which it'll work fine with those. I put a little animation on this main ball with two balls parroted under it, so I can follow around. But if I want those to delay their action a little bit, like some fat or I don't know what else you can do with it. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to open Locinator, one of our oldest tools and most used tools. We use it all the time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out my time here. So yeah, this is fine. So I'm going to create these. Let's see, I'm going to lock these all with my marking menu, lock. So that's going to create locators that these guys can track to. And you see they're not doing anything right now. We're going to bake them. So I'm going to select these locks, check my options, and I want to match point and orient. I want to bake. Let's do frames, all frames, but you can do other options. But for now, I just want to do this. And what's the duration? It's done at 90, so we'll wait to 90. And we're going to bake these. So what we have is our locators are now following along with their objects, baked in world space. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to offset these animations by we'll do 2 frames to see it at first. And then I'm going to select these objects and I'm going to bake them to, we'll just do all of those frames. And I'm going to bake these. So then you'll see that they're just offset just a hair. So by playing with how much you offset these, let's do the middle lock just a little bit more. We'll delay that one by 3 or 4 frames. And I'm going to rebake this object. And you'll see it's just a little secondary action to what's going on with the main. So I've used this kind of concept for doing just basic fat stuff on characters before, those little jiggle handles or whatever. It's not as like a full soft body setup, but it's just a nice way to get a first pass, and then you can go back and pull out keys and tweak it. But it's a nice fast way to get a first pass for some secondary action on simple objects. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.